Hello, in this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on Blackview Tab 13. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store and now click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search. Now select this application and click install. And now click open, and now you can skip this introduction, and now click open permissions, and you have to find this application on the list, and now click here to allow this application to display over other apps, and then click back and click back again, and now you can click start, and as you can see here is your Chat GPT widget. And if you want to remove him, just drag him into the X icon in the middle of your screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.